What's up guys? Nandito ako ulit si Paring Roger at bago tayo mag-start mag-open, mag-giveaway announcement muna tayo. Kapag nag-hit na tayo ng 200 subscribers, magpapag-giveaway tayo ng One Piece Booster Packs. So ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay mag-subscribe, mag-like at mag-comment kung sinong favorite yung character or characters sa One Piece at kung gusto nyo magdagdag ng kung anong gustong sabihin sa comment, okay lang. At dito muna tayo sa Metro Manila, okay? Let's go! Okay guys, so ito yung 12 booster packs ni Baste at bubuksan ko na to lahat. Gugupitan ko dito para hindi siya mahirapan at hindi tayo matagalan. Let's go! First booster pack ni Baste. Si Beppo, Luffy. Oh!
Oh!
Wow! Okay guys, so sobrang excited. Nahulog pa yung card at ito nga. First time namin makakuha nito, si Bonnie at SR. Wow, ang ganda. First time meron nito. Nice. Second booster pack. Let's go. Sa nga pala guys, umorder kami ng binder kasi gusto namin matry makompleto yung mga, kahit yung mga common cards and common cards mula 1. So I think 132 cards to no? So ayun. Leader ulit si Bonnie. Si ano ulit, si Dragon. Where? Okay. Third booster pack. Sana may bago ulit. Si Blackbeard. Gusto ko talaga to. Oh my gosh! Finally! Alternate card to eh. Ito teka. Ayan oh. Leader alternate. Wait. Hanapin ko yung ano niya. Hanapin ko yung hawakan mo ba? Hanapin ko yung ano niya. Yung regular. Wait. Okay, so ito yun oh. Kita nyo? OP13, number 2, leader. At check nyo. Ayan oh. Diyan yung malalaman yung alternate niya. So ito yun. Yung, kumbaga yung siguro yung normal version no. Tapos ito yung alternate. Ang ganda. Grabe. Nice. Fourth booster pack. Tama? Fourth?
Yeah.
Okay. So far, so good. Okay. Oh, nakita na natin. Zoro ulit. Nice. Fifth booster pack. Ano kaya naghihintay sa atin dyan? Meron kaya at fifth try is the charm. Siya ulit. Sixth booster pack. Okay. Sino yan? First time natin ito. Sino nga ba to? At sa tingin ko, kasama nga ba siya sa ano? Sa crew ni Roger? Si Gaban? Gaban ba to? Nice. First time namin nagkaroon ng ganito. Seventh booster pack. Ayos din kasi nakakuha kami ng bago. Nakakuha na tayo nito before. Pero okay lang. So, yung mga doubles iniipon namin, no? Kasi gusto namin ma-experience magtinda siguro, no? Mag-vendor. Wala, idea lang. 8 booster pack. Tignan natin kung merong magic na mangyayari dito. Si Baggy ulit. 9th booster pack. Okay. Sana. May something new. Ding. Meron na din tayo niyan. 10th booster pack. Lapit na matapos si Baste and it's my turn.
We have every double.
Okay. Trafalgar Law na naman. 11th booster pack.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Wait. Is this our first time to have this one? This.
No, we already have that
This
one.
one? Okay.
Yeah.
Leader si Luffy and that guy. Okay. Last pack ni Baste. Let's see kung merong last pack magic. Kung totoo yun o hindi. Maybe do the last one backwards.
Okay, sure.
Okay. I think that's it. I think that's it.
3,
Wait, 3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Oh, si siyang sulit pero okay lang. Okay guys, so ito yung mga nakuha ni Baste. Yung iba kasi ano na yun eh, kumbaga duplicates na. At least may bago kami. SR si Bonnie at syempre ito, alternate leader ni Ace at si Gaban. Okay, so it's my turn. Ang gawin natin by threes siguro. Well, oo, kasi yun ang gagawin ko. Okay.
Let's get a lot of stuff. No leader. Oh,
Ah,
what was that? What was
meron
that?
ulit na SR na meron na tayo.
Another SR?
Yeah, pero meron na tayo nun.
Dito.
Is this hindi, meron na tayo nito.
Yeah.
Kasi tinatry talaga namin, oh, di ba? Ito yung pinakaunang-unang na pool ko. Kasi tinatry nga namin talaga makompleto. Put this in the sleeve, please. Kinokompleto yung mga, ito, di ba? Kuwari, number 34. Tinatry namin makompleto. Lalagyan namin sa binder. Pagka, mag-update din kami dito sa video. Alright, I think this is it. Let's see. Event card. Yep. Wait, we have this already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and put this also in the sleeve, please. Okay.
See, any rares, any secrets?
Ito, pangatlong Robin pa lang namin to, no?
Oh, yeah, now I know.
Okay, let's see. Ready?
Yeah, last
3,
one.
2, 1! Okay, so ito na yung 3, wait, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4, 5, 6. Booster pack.
Very fast. You don't move faster than
Tapos nagupit yung card, no?
Good that.
Almost there. Okay.
Good, just do that. I think I saw a leader.
Huh?
I think I saw a red something.
Oo nga, wala pa eh.
Wait, I could see a leader.
Huh?
I could see a leader.
Okay, let's go.
Well, let's see if it's a leader or not. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Wow,
We
nice.
have that guy.
Oh, ulit. Meron na tayo niyan.
Oh, I thought we have the new. I thought that was a new one.
Put them in the sleeves, please.
Thanks.
Okay, si Beppo.
I'm just gonna collect them.
Oh my gosh! Bago! Wait, ano to?
Wait.
SR alternate. Wait.
Alternate?
Wait guys, check ko lang kung meron ako yung regular nito. Wait lang.
Double.
Ayos, nakakatawa.
Jimmy!
Tingnan nyo. Ito yung nakuha ni Basti, diba? Ito yung na-pull niya. Ito yung na-pull ko, yung alternate. Ang lupit. Oh, nakita nyo? 108, diba? Ayan yun. Ito yung alternate. Stig. Nice. Okay, continuation. Let's see.
Oh, still not yet. Last card.
3, 2,
1.
1. Oh!
Oh, secret.
Second time. SR.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, so ito na yung pang 9. Ginupit ko na para hindi na kailangan ipakita sa video. Okay. Let's go.
Get any good.
Woohoo, Sanji ulit.
Any good.
Put this in the sleeve.
Okay. We got
Woohoo, si Garp again.
double.
Put this in the sleeve later. Yeah, okay. Don. And Boa Hancock. Ulit, pero okay lang.
15.
Okay guys, so ito na yung pang 12. Magkakaalaman na kung anong makukuha natin, kung anong kapalaran natin. Let's go. Gugupitin ko na. Tapos nagupit talaga yung card, ano?
Wait, I kinda need another sleeve.
Okay.
Oh,
Wala namang naiwan, no? Wala.
no leader yet, right?
I think I saw a leader here.
The Roger.
But yeah, I'm not sure.
I see Sabo.
Oh my gosh! Yes, finally! Hinahanap namin
I
to.
said let's see Soba.
Diba?
Sobo.
This is number 4. Number 4.
I told
Sabo.
you it's number 4.
Nice.
I
And this one, put
I
this in the sleeve also.
I I said I saw a leader. Oh my gosh, I need more.
Okay. Continue.
I'll do that later because I don't have.
Oh, yes!
What?
This is our first time to have this one, the rare.
Oh my gosh.
Nice. Okay, put that in the sleeve.
I might do that later because I'm out
Ako,
of.
kinakabahan na ako kung ano yung sa dulo. Bakit wala pa tayong secret rare?
Yeah, I think
Ah,
backwards.
1, 2, 3!
Three.
Ah!
Event card.
So guys, ayun na yun. Okay, so ayun na yun. At least nakuha kami ng bago. No? Marami-rami din. So ito yung mga pinapakita ko, ito yung mga bago. At ito, gusto namin makuha to. And finally, tapos ito, nakuha kami ng dalawang alternate card, no? So solid din yun. Tsaka ito, bago to sa amin. So ayun na yun. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, mag-subscribe sana kayo, mag-comment, mag-like. At ayun, kung magko-comment kayo, magre-reply naman ako yun. Gusto ko naman makipag-communicate din sa inyo, lalo na kung ito yung topic natin. So ayun na muna, sa ngayon, tapos na. At parang Roger out and thank you for watching.